In the heart of the bustling city of London lived a little goblin named Gringotts. He was known for his bright green skin and a tummy that always looked like he'd been in a spin. Every day, Gringotts would open the bank. His job was to keep the gold and the silver bank. He'd count coins, both silver and gold, and lock them up, where they'd be safe and bold. One day, as he was counting the coins, a customer came in, making Gringotts groans. Oh dear, he thought, it's Mr. Vanderbilt. He always seemed to be in a bit of a fuss, and Gringotts knew this would be a big bustle. Good morning, Mr. Vanderbilt, Gringotts said with a smile. What can I help you with today? He asked with a mile. I've lost my key, Mr. Vanderbilt replied with a frown. Can you open the safe, so I can find it somehow? Gringotts thought for a moment. Then he remembered a secret he'd got. He took a key from his pocket with a wink and opened the safe with a jingle and a dink. Inside the safe was a big pile of gold, and at the bottom, Mr. Vanderbilt's key was sold. Thank you, Gringotts, Mr. Vanderbilt said with a grin. You're always so helpful, I'm so glad you're in. Gringotts closed the safe with a click and went back to his counting with a quick flick. But he couldn't help but feel proud. Knowing he'd helped Mr. Vanderbilt, he felt loud. From that day on, Gringotts was known as the little goblin who'd wear a frown no more. He'd help everyone, whether they were big or small, and always keep the gold and never let it fall. So whenever you go to the city of London, remember the little goblin named Gringotts, who'd keep the gold and help you out with a bright green smile and a heart so stout.